Hi guys, so you're at Rowston level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Nathan ARF. There we go, time is 16:15 on Thursday the 11th of August when you sickness of our 16:21, 2 kilo 45 Eastman's train service from Newark Northgate to Peterborough, and there's Nathan getting his camera back together, getting his camera putting away. Hey? Yeah. Not for a while. I don't know. That's that tractor that came over earlier, wasn't it?
Yeah, massive one.
Yeah.
You got screw loose.
Wonder what that was then. Here it is. Nathan sticking weeds in my ear. Oh, it's going now. Look, the tractor's moving.
Reveals a car.
Oh yeah. Got 153 376 376 X24 Expeditious to Peterborough via Spalding, Sleaford and Spalding, and up they go. Guys, I'll see you in the next video.